Is it clear? Is it too small, too big? Can you adjust it on your
Yes.
end?
Okay. You can you
Okay.
open the phone of the picture? Phone of the
Yes,
picture.
yes, I can.
Yeah. Why you have to? Yeah. Okay.
This is
So right
good.
now it's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Oh,
All right.
have
Okay. So let's start, everyone. So today I'm going to discuss English skills analysis for
yeah.
AFM, which stands for Advanced Financial
Measurement.
Management. Yes,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
management. I'm having a hard time to remember all the words. As you said earlier, Kim, the words are a little bit what do you call new to me. They're like
Yes.
alien terminologies to me. But anyway, let's continue.
Mm-hmm.
So AFM, what is AFM? Um, as I think everyone knows, AFM focuses on strategic finance and decision making.
Yes.
Furthermore, it also focuses on how to communicate professionally in financial contexts
Mm-hmm.
and not just only to calculate numbers. So that is
Yes.
a main point of
Yes. Yes.
AFM.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Ra, ra, ra. That's right.
So yeah, indeed. So in this, you can see the file we have there is 6 foundation English skills that we are going to tackle today.
Mm-hmm.
Um, but I have a question first of all. You can share your thoughts. The question here is, what do you think is the difference between writing in English and writing in financial English? So, anyone can share their thoughts, please?
Financial English.
Yes,
Yes.
financial English versus writing in financial English versus writing in English. Do you think there's a difference between the two? Anyone wants to share? You can also practice your spoken English if you want to share your thoughts in this class.
Do you want to discuss with the Lara? Saura? Saura?
Yeah, for me, I think the difference between the both is financial writing with financial English is more on the terminology word that link to the numbers, and the language is aligned to the finance language.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, actually, yeah, that's correct. Good point, Sora. And to make it clear, when we say writing in English, as you said, it only focuses on grammar, right? English grammar, on sentence structure for general communication. On
Mm-hmm.
the other hand, when we say writing in financial English, you focuses on technical terms, financial terms. You have
Mm-hmm.
to take note your tone, your objective tone,
Mm-hmm.
and you need to have analytical structure to explain financial information professionally and clearly at the same time. So that's the difference. So that's what we're going to, learn tonight. So let's go to the first skill. We are going to learn how to use correct IFRS or finance vocabulary. Maybe some of you were here yesterday. We mentioned the words impairment,
Yes.
what else? Depreciation,
Yeah.
revaluation, OCI.
Yes.
OCI, that
Oh.
stands for other comprehensive income.
Yes.
I know you guys, you are familiar with those. So the purpose of this first skill is to build technical credibility and for you to show understanding of finance context when advising the board. So we have here the first example from Price or Co case. The sample states investment appraisal, discount rate, tax allowable depreciation, sensitivity analysis, bilateral tax treaty, repatriation of funds,
Reputation.
ethical charter. So these are, just what do you call this? A couple of vocabulary you need to take note. Let me move on to the second skill. We are
Lara,
going
Lara,
to,
Lara,
yes,
can you make the column A smaller? You cannot move anything. Okay.
oh,
Yes. Column A. Column A. Yeah, that's right. It's okay right now.
okay, okay.
Yes.
Is it
Yes.
better?
Better.
Oh,
Yes.
what
Okay. You don't
happened?
need to move. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
very good,
I don't
Lara.
know. Oh, this part is gone. Okay, anyway, the second part
The
there
rough
is
text. Okay, I show you some of the Excel technique. You see
okay.
the bracket text above in the tools Excel. Move to
I
bracket text above. You see,
this one.
yeah, yeah. Uh, you,
Okay.
yeah. Okay. Right now. Okay,
Oh,
right now. Okay. Mm-hmm.
I feel I'm an expert.
Yeah,
I'm so
Excel
sorry.
expert.
I rarely use Excel. Okay, but that okay, I got it.
Okay, no
All
problem. No
right,
problem.
let's move on. Second part is we are going to learn how to write short and clear sentences. And in this part, the purpose of this is to improve clarity. We need to avoid long paragraphs, long
Mm,
sentences. We should be direct to the point. We should not go around the bush. So we need to have precise and clear sentences. And we have an example here for you. Alan offers a 2-year tax exemption on profits. Repatriated funds will be taxed at 30% in Morteg. And let's go to the third skill. We are going to learn how to utilize linking words. Linking words such as therefore, as a result, in accordance with, however, for example. You can add more actually if you know more linking words. As I've mentioned yesterday, we can also use the words in conclusion based on someone told me that yesterday. And for instance, or for example, they are all linking words. And the purpose of that is for you to help structure your arguments. It shows cause and effect logic. And let me just read the example given here. As a result of inflation differences, the project's cost base may increase faster than revenue. So we use the linking word as a result of. Let me go out. If you have any questions, you can just raise your hand or you can send a message to the chat, or maybe I'm going too fast. You know, you can make us aware. Thank you. Let's move on to the next part or next skill. We're going to learn how to describe adjustments in plain English. So, what is the aim of this one? So, for this part, we need to describe things in plain English for you to for examiner rewards clarity of logic, not formula repetition. And another example for that, allowable depreciation reduces taxable profit and therefore increases post-tax cash flow. As you have noticed, if you want to describe adjustments in plain English, we can really use the linking words to make your sentences much clearer. That's how important the linking words are. And for the next skill, we're going to learn how to build habit of explaining logic and not only numbers. This is, I think, the one of the most important skills you need to develop, as it demonstrates your reasoning. Your reasoning includes evaluation and skepticism. We have here the we have the purpose of this calculations earn technical marks, but logic earns communication marks. It's simply It simply means that you don't it is not enough. It is not adequate to provide numbers only. You have to explain those figures. You have to explain those figures logically. So that is the main purpose of this skill. Example, although the NPV is positive, the payback period exceeds 4 years, suggesting liquidity pressure. As you can see in the example, the there's what do you call this? The information states that the NPV is positive, but it also explains what it suggests. So you have to explain the figures or the numbers logically. And for the last part, last skill is for you to aim for professional tone, polite, factual, and objective. In this part, you are demonstrating professionalism and you can earn up to 4 communication marks. Report must sound like it's written for a board of directors and not like a student essay. It sounds um difficult, I think, but if you are knowledgeable about technical terms, if you know how to use linking words, if you know how to explain the numbers logically, you are able to aim for a professional tone. So we have an example. It is recommended that the board proceeds with the investment only after confirming compliance with the CFFP
Trust
charter.
you. Yeah.
So this part, the phrase is it is recommended, but we can of course use a lot of phrases for you to sound more professional. Probably you can use these verbs. I'm going to send this actually to the chat. So maybe, most of you can apply. Hold on, let me just send these.
And yes, yes.
Maybe we can
Dictate.
have, yeah, I sent those words. Maybe we can have a
You
sample
can you can
children.
write on the Excel file. It's okay,
Oh,
Lara.
okay. I can. Wait, wait,
Mhm.
wait. Let me try.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes. Very good.
Yes. So you can use these words to explain your to you can use these
Indicate.
words to your reports.
Yes.
Yes. And for the last part, I think we can have a short practice. You have to apply all these skills to explain something, to explain a financial context, perhaps. Uh, for example, I have here this sentence. This project, this project looks really good. So this one is not a good sentence in your report. How
Mm-hmm.
are you going to make this better using linking words,
Yes.
using for you how are you going to apply professional tone? How are you going to apply finance vocabulary?
Mm-hmm.
So maybe someone can try to make this sentence a better one. Take your time. If you have any idea, you can share.
Mm. Okay. Lara and everyone. Today, a lot of the professional use the ChatGPT when they prepare the report to send the BOD by the email. So the problem in the communication skill when they prepare the report is not the big problem right now. You can see the prompt from the ACCA or from ours. You can prepare the report very professional and mm, uh, effective effective and efficiencies the reporting. You understand? And the problem with us when you apply in the ACCA SM, because as you cannot use the ChatGPT during the examination times. So you finish yourself and without ChatGPT have and show the listing Lara take you you should focus. shortcut because the right short and clear sentence make you save times because they just gives you 180 minutes, a lot of the information you read and a lot of the questions I will show you later. And when you read one of the question from the ACCA for AFM, you feel stressful. You feel stressful. So that's the reason why you cannot write the answer long and some of a lot of the details. So focus and the meanings and write something like executive summary. I highlight for you like executive summary when you writing in the ACCA exam. Lara, you understand me? If you understand,
Yes,
I
yes,
think
I
that
understand.
the people understand.
Hmm. So,
Yes,
for this one, I'll just finish then.
yes, finish.
As I
Okay.
mentioned, this
Mm-hmm.
sentence is not really recommended. So
Mm-hmm.
probably you can add the linking words to make this more, or to make this clearer and sound more professional. So probably you can say the project appears financially viable based on, which is a linking word, on the NPV result. So as you can see, we don't only give the number, but we also explain, or we explain what the number is about. So that's only what do you call this, the main point of these skills for for your reports to sound more professional and clear. So that's
Mm-hmm.
how you write a writing financial writing in financial English. Yeah, so maybe you can add more, Kim. Yep, I'm
Okay,
done.
so do you know about the finance vocabulary, rapid trade agents? Who know about this? Who know about this? Rapid trade agent of funds. So that have you have the idea for your country?
Pardon?
Yeah, rapid trade agents of funds.
Rep,
Rapid
repeat.
trade agent.
Mm, can you
Mm-hmm.
can you explain me a bit?
Yes, some company from the foreigner they invest. For example, your country company invest and open the company in the Vietnam, and they make the profits and they want to transfer the profit to the Cambodia. So that is means the rapid trade Asian funds. You understand?
Mm,
Mhm.
Not
I don't
not
know.
not. Yes,
I do you mean, Kim, repatriation is you're sending money, or you're, what do you call this, you're sending the money of the, or the profit back to your own country
yes,
from a
yes.
foreign
That's
country.
yes. That's right.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can you
Yeah.
explain for Sarah again? Sarah?
Yes, repatriation, Jen, it only means that you're sending the money or the profit back to your home country
No,
from
just
a
profit.
foreign
Just
country.
profit. Just profit.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
profit, not
Yeah.
money. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, yes.
You see
Oh
that
yeah,
the
I
yes
I
the
understand. Do you mean the reputation, right?
yeah repetition.
Repatriation is.
Yeah. For the reputation, I don't clear your question, but I think you refer to the shareholder that they invest to the another country and they withdraw their dividend after the financial year closing.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Then that's the reason
So
why we have the second example
yeah.
below. Yes. You see?
Yes.
It land offer 2 year tax exemption on the profits and
Tax
rapidly.
exemption, right?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. For my
Okay.
country, if the shareholder want to withdraw the dividend, they will pay withholding tax 14%.
40%.
14. 14.
Ah,
13.
Yeah,
Mhm.
14.
14% of their dividend
Okay,
after
okay.
reporting period.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Lara, it's okay and enough for you right now. And if
Okay.
don't, yeah, if don't want, right now just only Soga choice, choice me. So, Saura, you can study with me, okay? Yes, happy, Saura.
Yes, yes, I
Okay,
can.
thank Lara, and you can leave.
All right.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
thank you, Lara.
Bye
Okay,
bye.
Yes.
bye bye. So right now it's my turn, and so that don't feel scared and don't feel worried about the events because the events are if you don't know the structure of the advanced paper when you finish the foundation and you straight to the advance so you more stressful and you more stressful sometimes you give up because of uh, the foundations the exam structure very simple. Most are 60% multi-choice. So you just choose very easily, and sometimes your results are sometimes lucky or um, not your try too hard. But in the advance, you change the habit, the type to finish the exam. Okay, so most of the advanced just writing. Yeah, most of the advanced paper just writing. So run. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
so yes, just writing. So the communication skill very important, very important. So even if you don't understand what's going on in the advanced financial management. But this is you can see this is one question in the advanced financial management paper. There are three questions. Three questions. Okay, and uh, 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 first questions. This is the long and get the 50 score. Okay, 50 scores, and the second 20 score, and the same.
Oh, yes.
So around a total 100. And the first question make the candidates very stressful because of long sentence, long questions. They ask you a lot. They ask you a lot. And if you not finish the first question, maybe you fail. Maybe you fail.
Oh,
So this is the first question. This is the first question. You see, 50 score,
yes,
50 score. And the first, they give you the context of the company, the context of company. And the ACCA right now, they change the type, uh, they change the method how to make the question for the candidate. So the first, they give the question for above, and after that they imply in the long sentence questions. So the first day summary for you. You see it? You see it?
yes, I can see.
Yes. Today I don't teach you the meaning of the exam. Okay, I will make later. Just the communication skill here only. Don't focus the meaning. Don't focus the uh or analyze or to finish something. Okay.
Yes,
So the communication skill, which, where, and why here. So most most of the exam they always say this word. You see, they always say this word. Profession mark. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay. I combine with the Lara and me. Profession mark will be awarded for demonstrates of skill in communications and analysis and evaluate. So 10 score, 10, 10 mark, very important. And they don't change this skill for of the advanced paper. So you should learn first for this before you study knowledge or syllabus or content of the paper. You understand me?
Yes, I understand you.
Yes. So right now you read one by one what they ask you. The first they ask you explain. The second they ask you prepare the report and calculate and discuss again. So the first you understand. First you understand what they want you to do. This communication skill first. If they ask you explain, you just explain. If they ask you repair the report, so you repair the report professional, like you send the email to your beauty. Very professional. Dear sir, the subject of the email, and you say some of the general the report. And after that, you resend of the detail and conclusions and scenery. You understand me? This is communication skill.
Yes, yes.
Yes, very important. And you get too smart very easy. If you don't follow this, they cannot give you that smart. Okay, so come back to the here the when you make the answer, when you have the working stage, you make the title very clear, and after that I don't discuss more. Okay, go to the detail of the file. And I told you that yesterday, when you prepare for the ACCA paper, you use the Excel and two column. Okay, the first column for you to make the because of I always use Excel skill to do everything, to learning, to make the report, to teach the people. Okay, I use always Excel. I don't use another word or PowerPoint. So the Excel very easy for you to estimate, to calculate how much mark, how many mark you can get if you can do yourself. For example, you see I have the 61 mark if I do this. You understand me? The column C, the column C.
Yes, yes.
Yes, and try the same. My uh, introduce you about these tools, and you see the column A. The column A. I uh, I want to preference which syllabus the AFM want to focus. And when I make here, this is the chapter 16, and this is chapter 3. This is chapter 1. You see, and I connect this here. Where is my syllabus? Here, you see, chapter 1, chapter 2. You see, it's my to make the syllabus content. This is the content of the syllabus of the advanced financial management. So we have the 13 big contents. The first, financial strategy, and I make the C1, C2, C16, and you see I make the formula. I make the formula when I focus the general. I focus the general here. You see general this here. You see my formula. You see my formula.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. And when I put here, this is when I read the questions, I guess that this question related to the which syllabus, which chapter of the AFM, and after that I make certificate. I make summarize that, and I want to predict. I want to predict what next step, what next exam the ACCA give the new candidate. You got this? You got this? My point? Get it? My point? Okay. So you see, and I know the AFM most they focus with syllabus, and I study hard with the syllabus. Very easy, and AFM very easy to pass. AFM very easy for pass. So don't worry, AFM. And right now, back to the contents. Back to the content, and the communication skill apply where the first When you say explain, you make the explain. Explain just say something, don't evaluate. Sometimes the definition, or you make listing. You make listing, and when you when you do the exam, you just calculate the mark, and after that, you just give them the list of the answer. Don't make the long sentence, and you compare with the mark they give you, the marks, and you give them suitable and uh, the number of the sentence enough. Don't make long and don't give them a lot of the answer, because it take your time consuming, and because they give you just four marks and you do a lot of things, they don't give you more. You understand me? You understand me?
Yeah.
Yes. And when you make the answer for A explain, you make the title very clear. You make the title very clear, and that gives you this communication skill. And the same. So right now you just format and give them just three listing, three idea. Don't give them so much, okay? And access maybe just two is okay. And they and you when you read the questions, you divide divide how many ideas you want they want you to answer. For example, here the same of you work in the company, when the BOD or when your boss send you email for requirements, you read carefully how many assignment exactly he give you. So right now in the question A, you see, if you read carefully, so two questions, small question they ask you explain and assess something. So and you calculate for the marks, and you just give them short, don't give them a lot. When you study the materials, they give you a lot of the answer, but when you in the real exam, you don't have time to do it. You don't have time to do a lot of the answer. Just 4 marks, okay? I give them 4 listing, 4 idea. That's all. Move to the another questions and make clear for the title, okay? Here and here. They give you the communication skill. And question B, the same. They ask you to prepare the report. This is the communication skill very, very highlight. This is the signature. This is the signature skill of ACCA. Prepare a report. When you study and you finish the ACCA, I think that the reporting skill you level up very professional and high level. So that's the reason why you should finish ACCA. So don't give up, okay? And register ACCA as soon as possible. You're 27 years old right now, and you have just 3 years. I think that you finish, because of right now you have the materials available on the ACCA Study Hub. You have the ChatGPT, you have the communities to support you to study, and you can study yourself. And you have the experience, you work around. You have 27. I think that you have 5 year experience, so you study ACCA so quick. Okay, Suran?
Yes, I hope so.
Yes, just 3 year, 3 year you finish.
Yes, I have been 7 years in accounting and finance,
That's very good. 7 years, and you
but
combine.
my English is not perfection, so that I think it could not hit the ACCA well.
Yeah, but I think that your English very good. You speak very well. You speak very well. You know that why I teach the English this community, because I make research, I make surveys, the global mentee. A lot of the people cannot speak English. How I can teach them? They can speak English and they can listen to me. How I can teach them? Okay, so that's the reason why I teach a
Oh
community.
yes.
Yes, you very good in English. Okay, so I
Yeah,
think that you register ICC quick as soon as possible. They help you a lot of things. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
and you see when you make the report for them. So introduction here, very important. Dear sure, okay, okay, very important here. Communication skill. They
It it seems like we write up as an email, right?
yes subject, okay, and introduction. Very so you apply for all of the event paper when they ask you to make the report. You understand? The same of the email.
Yes, yes, I understand it.
Yes. And after that, you one by one, step by step, answer them the questions. Okay, they ask you the discuss assumption. Okay, you discuss assumption, and they ask you to discuss an investment duration. Okay, I can do it. The sensitive silent breath, and after that, you make the conclusion and recommendation. This is the communication skill. Okay,
Yeah.
conclusion and recommendation when you send the report by email to the BOD, you always do it. Okay,
It seems like providing a strategy or method of calculation, right?
uh,
Maybe maybe I don't understand much since I have never involved in the AFM.
you never. No, this is the format for report.
Yeah.
The format for report when you send the BOD, they say the report. Okay, so report. And if they ask you to send the email or to make, you just say the subject and dear, because you do report for them. So dear sir, dear, and conclusion. This is the template, and I think that you apply for your working environment. Okay,
Yes.
here, yes, very good, very good. Okay, and you image that they ask you, okay, when you finish this, you also calculate here, evaluate. You see, they ask you to evaluate financial accept 14 mark. So means that when you send the email to the BOD to explain something and to analyze something, you attach the Excel file or the data report. That's right. You understand? Or you
Yes,
take the
yeah.
picture on the email. So this question the same. This question the same. So they give you the data for the questions. Then a specific one here, is it two here? They give you a lot of data here. Okay. So you read and you consider some the number, and after that you make this template in the answer paper in the exam here. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
and this if
I
you have the
understand.
14, you have the 14 mark for this. You don't need to make anything. You don't need to make the evaluating in the report here. When you make it here, the recommendation so sorry, recommendation here. Okay, here.
Yeah, I can see.
Yes, and you just think that you just imagine that when you send the report to the OD, you say something in the email, the body email, and attach the Excel file for calculating. Okay, and you say conclusion, and sometimes you can make the working. I come back to this for you. Working one here. Okay, so here, okay, you can make here working one, And when you say something, you want the examiner to understand something, you point and you say, please review the working one. You understand? Reference forum.
Yeah.
Reference forum when you write something in the reporting. When you go to the exam, you use the computer, okay, and they show you they give you both choice, no choice, both tools, one Excel and one for the Word, okay. For Word you read the report, and Excel for you to repair the template, the how to call it, the financial modeling or financial model or something of the, how to call it, I don't remember, the worksheet. That's right.
Working paper,
Yeah, working sheet. Okay.
working paper or working sheet.
Paper. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. And they give you the Excel formula, the same of you use the working, so you can use a lot of the, even if NBV you can calculate in the Excel. Okay.
Yeah.
So very easy. Yeah. Right now, do you want to ask me something before leaving and take a rest and prepare for working tomorrow? Right now.
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
the question is that I want to I don't understand much, but which means that if they providing question and they also provide the data at your right hand side, right? Can you
They
move? Can you move to the right side?
the right side here
Yeah, after column T. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
after Colombia here.
W.
Yes, this is
Oh,
here. Can you
yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
this is the first. This is the question first. They give you for example, they give you the general question, okay, and after that they give you more. They give you
Oh,
more the scenario here.
the middle
Oh,
is the.
for example, okay, I have the file. I have the file for you. Okay, wait me. ACCA, okay, AFM, wasn't kid, okay, because I know I can check them. I can check this file, this the same.
Oh, yes. And
Okay, so, right so okay, right so I can check. Wait a minute. Because I cannot send you the file because it's illegal. Okay, because
oh,
I bought it already. Okay, so I cannot send everyone in the community. If you want, just ask me private. Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Can you share me the PDF file?
Yeah, that's right. That's it. Okay.
Oh, I will contact you
Yes,
privately.
private. Okay, because if I send in the community, it's okay because this is from the copyright, and I can send everyone without notify them. So
Yes,
they have a lot of time to invest the data, this of the information. We cannot use for without fee. Okay.
yeah, yeah. I understand
But
you.
yes, but in the ICCA, when you buy, okay, when you buy the member application of ICCA, okay, they give you a lot here. When you register and you pay a fee for them, and ICCA gives you the number account, okay, and the password, and it gives you a lot of the information the same.
How much for the annual subscription fee?
Yeah, around 250.
Oh, yeah,
But when I become a member, around 500 US dollar,
yeah, yeah,
one
yeah.
annual. So you
One.
see, yeah, annual. You see, here, study hub here. Okay. So a lot of the information they update it new for you. You don't need to
Yeah,
buy, but you the PDF for BB. they gather the past exam for you. You understand? They gather the past exam for you.
Hmm.
They have the past exam, and ICC don't have this for you enough. They have it, but not enough. AFM. Wait a minute, and they have this here. You see, this is the questions. The first, they give you the general, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of things after here, here, a lot of
Oh,
information. You see?
how many questions for the AFM examination?
Yeah, many, a
Uh,
lot.
how many comprehensive questions are there
Uh, they don't have
for
the
the
fix.
exam? I mean for the exam.
They don't have fix. They flexible,
Flexible.
flexible. They don't fix anything. But in the AFM, they have their three questions.
Is
Three
there any
questions.
multi? Is there any multiple choice question?
Maybe, yeah.
Is there any multiple choice question during the
No,
exam?
no, no. Most of
Oh,
writing. Yes.
writing.
So communication skill here very important. You
Oh,
understand? I told you before. No multi choice.
yeah,
Yes.
really hard.
So very hard. When I finish the foundation, okay, multi choice very lucky and very easy. Okay, I enjoy so much. When I open the past exam, I feel stressful
Oh,
one
yeah.
day. I feel stressful one day. Okay,
Yeah.
and I think about, oh, I give up or I continue. You understand? Because of
Yes.
my English skills not good. I cannot writing. Okay.
Yeah. My big problem is
Yes.
writing as well.
Yes. I can guide you how to write. Okay.
Yes, I will try.
Yes. Very easy if you have the skill and if you know how to do it.
Mhm.
Yes. So right now you see the questions already.
Yes, yeah, I understand it.
And right
Because
now, very easy for you. You use ChatGPT, okay? If you don't
yeah,
understand something, you use ChatGPT and they explain you everything. So I think that I told you already, you can save your times. After 4 or 5 years, you have just 2 years or 3 years finish.
I hope so.
Now, so
Since
okay,
my
so
routine task is busy as well.
okay, so okay, right now I just finished because a very communication. Just when they ask you something, just answer the right they ask, okay, and
Yes,
just compare, calculate the how many mark they give you, okay. So they just give them enough the answer. Don't make longer and don't give them a lot, okay. So waste your time and waste minutes, no meaning. They don't give them more, okay.
yes,
And when
yes.
they ask you to report something, so you make them more professional and working sheet show more reference and give them the formulas for them to checking formula for them to checking, okay.
Yeah.
They review and they give you a score here. Okay, so right now oh, I check again, no one here. Okay, so right now you can take a rest and see you next week, okay.
I see you. Hope so. Oh, next week I might not be joined because I have a company trip.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
You can see the review the record. Okay,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
okay,
Thank you so much for sharing.
okay. No problem.
Yeah.
Mm.